All right. Wow, this is amazing. I'm definitely loud enough, aren't I?
It's all right.
Yeah. I just want to thank you for picking me. You know, it's awesome. He says, I feel like the price is right now.
You're irresistible.
Ah. Yeah, okay. My question involves relationship. We get them all the time, right? Dr. Phil questions. In a relationship right now.
We don't give Dr. Phil answers.
I know you don't. I know you. I'm glad. In a relationship right now, I think pretty good for the most part. She loves me, I love her. But there's this great wall of China that divides us, and I need to break that wall.
No, you don't. You need to ignore it.
I need to ignore it, okay? Okay.
Do you have the ability to do that? Do you have the ability to focus?
It's a big wall. I feel like the Passion of Christ. It's a big wall.
It's getting bigger too, isn't it?
Okay.
In other words, yeah.
Okay.
Does it matter? That's the thing. Does it matter? Is it a deal breaker? Does it matter?
Well, it hasn't. I mean, it's still air. So, I mean, we're...
So path of least resistance.
So we need to walk this way then? Is it...
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
Because you can't take it down. You will only make it bigger. We like the analogy that you're offering. It feels like something that needs to be dealt with. But the thing about things that need to be dealt with is that they never get dealt with.
Okay.
So if it's irrelevant, then what do you want to say about the relationship?
That'd be great. But it's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that'd be great. It'd be fantastic. Yeah, it'd be fine. Yeah.
There are conditions that feel like they're in the way.
They're in the way, yeah. There's no doubt.
But when we talk about the path of least resistance, you're really going to like this. When we talk about the path of least resistance, you've been hearing us talk about it today here.
Yeah. I walked it.
Not really. You climbed over the wall.
Well, good.
When we talk about the path of least resistance, the question that we want to ask you is, where's the path leading? And before you give us the wrong answer, it's all right, we want to give you the right answer.
Okay.
The path of least resistance is leading to happiness. It's leading to love. It's leading to clarity. And so if for a little while, if you can just realize that the path is leading you to love, it's leading you to love. It's not leading you to the solution of a condition that you think needs to be dealt with before there can be the love. It's just leading you to the love. And you just keep going to the love, and you just keep going to the love, and you just keep going to the alignment, and you go to alignment, and then you find clarity. Before you know it, you'll be translating that vibration into things that improve the condition.
I think we have good vibrations. Beach Boys, I guess. We have good vibrations, all right? But there's that resistance, that wall that you said I climbed over, it's just immense. It really is. I'm trying to forget about it, but it's like right there, you know?
Well, it will dissipate. It will only dissipate when you put that condition in its proper place. And the only way that you can put an unyielding condition in its proper place is by making something else matter more. And so that's why we're talking about conditional and unconditional. So you make the vibration matter more. You emphasize the vibration you've got going. You emphasize what is working. And we promise you that will take precedence over that. And then the condition has to morph into alignment with that. But if you go about it in the way that most humans try to go about it, all it does is amplify the wall and make it bigger. Try it. You're going to like it.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. We know you heard everything we said. It's not easy to please everybody, is it?